So today we have Mr. Anish Choudhary, digital banking leader. And sir, welcome to Sinex Group. Welcome to India Banking Summit and Awards. And very firstly, congratulations for winning the Banking Personality of the Year award. So, sir, just how does you feel about winning the particular award?
No, any award is special, and particularly so because Sinex Group and the jury has taken suo motu cognizance of my efforts for the industry, and very special because I've spent more years outside the banking and financial services than in. So, great motivation for me, and things that I plan to do. It's a great time to build for India, and it's a great motivation for me, personally to contribute.
That's really great to hear from you. I also would like to know about your thoughts on the current opportunities and challenges in our Indian market.
Sure. See, India is growing at around 8% odd GDP, and for the next 10, 15 years, if you have to become a developed economy, triple our per capita income, banking and financial services are going to play a very crucial role. And therefore, the opportunities are quite many. If you just look at from a lending perspective itself, credit financial inclusion for individuals, around 40 odd crore people have a bureau footprint, but if you look at live trade lines, I think there will be around 25, 30 crores. So there's an opportunity for a 2x, 3x growth in the financial inclusion for individuals itself. And then we talk about SMEs, around 6.5, 7 crore SMEs in India, but there's a huge credit deficit. If you take away the 1 odd crores which are having GST, the ones outside, they are outside the ecosystem. Similarly, agri. That's another space which is bereft. So credit inclusion itself is a big theme. Yes, there's been a lot of disruption on that space with the India stack coming in, a lot of fintechs, banks doing a lot of innovative stuff, but there's a lot more that has to happen. And if the growth has to be at 8%, your credit growth would be in the range of 18 to 20%. So good, responsible, high quality credit is a big opportunity. Similarly, on the wealth side, you can see that almost 50 lakh crore is the AUM size of mutual funds, growing significantly. But financial literacy is something that needs to open up. And I see that as a challenge as well because, a lot of people want to make quick bucks, but that doesn't happen, it evens out. So financial literacy, personal finance literacy, that's another opportunity as well as a challenge in the market today. And at the same time, if you see the overall global landscape, with AI and various technologies coming in, they give you opportunities to create efficiency in the economy. So while on one hand, we're talking about new opportunities, but there are also efficiencies that can happen at the corporate sector, in the trade finance, export sector, blockchain, so a lot of stuff that can be done to bring, India to the more global footprint, have a higher share in the global GDP. So great opportunities, I would say.
Okay, that's really factful insight, which can only be coming from an experienced leader from the BFSI sector like you. Lastly, I would just like to know how was your overall experience with the Sinex Group and at India Banking Summit?
No, I think I'm privileged to be part of various forums, but this is India Banking Summit by Sinex Group is something that I love being part of because it's an extremely professionally run event, and both the way you do the event, the panel discussions, the quality of insights that come out there, and of course the entire process of nominations and category, very fair, very transparent, and just brings the whole industry together for the couple of days. And I think hats off to you guys for pulling off the logistics and the entire event so smoothly.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. And once again, congratulations for winning the particular award. And we'll be, very much glad to have you again in the upcoming summits
Thank you
of
so much.
India
And
Bank.
I look forward to that. Next decade belongs to India, and I'm very proud and grateful for this opportunity, and look forward to contributing to that whole pool. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.